Introducing the Dongfeng 4-wheel drive off-road chassis, built for adventure, built for power. Designed with a customizable flatted 1.5 row cab, comfort and practicality wherever you go. The chassis has the Cummins C26033 engine, delivers unmatched strength, providing power whenever you need it most. With 9 gears to choose from, you will have control on every terrain, every twist and turn. Designed for safety, the exhaust pipe placed in front, offering better stability and security. The sturdy double-layer beam with a height of 250 mm gives you the stability to conquer any challenge. A 4,700 mm wheelbase ensures balance, handling and a smooth ride even on the toughest roads. Strong front and rear axles, 5 tones at the front and 13 tones at the rear, making this chassis ready for any load. Equipped with 11.00 R20 off-road tires for superior traction and performance wherever the road takes you. Tough, reliable and ready for any adventure. Dongfeng, the chassis that takes you further, faster with more confidence. Customize yours today, brought to you by Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle.